interrogative pronouns. Les pronoms interrogatifs. And believe me, just as I've told you, they are so interesting. So my dear friends, let's do these interesting interrogative pronouns. Are we ready? Here we go. But first, we need to recap what are interrogative adjectives. Because only when we know the adjectives can we move ahead with the pronouns. So my dear friends, let's take a look at our interrogative adjectives. Which, what, and here they are. Q-U-E-L, Q-U-E-L-L-E, Q-U-E-L-S, and Q-U-E-L-L-E-S for the masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, and the feminine plural respectively. Once we are sure with this, let's move straight ahead and have a look at the interrogative pronouns. Here are the two sentences which will help you clearly differentiate between interrogative adjectives and interrogative pronouns. Sentence number 1. Which book do you prefer? Which here is a clear example of an interrogative adjective. Which book? Qualifying the noun book. Look at the next sentence. My dear friends, look at it clearly. And the sentence says, of these books, which one do you prefer? Which one is a clear-cut interrogative pronoun because the noun has been replaced. So, we are going to study the interrogative pronouns. You have already seen the difference between the interrogative adjectives and the interrogative pronouns. Now, let's move ahead quickly and look at the interrogative pronouns, and here they are. Lekel, lakel, lekel, and lekel. So they all seem to sound the same. That is why they are up there on the screen for you. Lekel, which one? Masculine singular. Lakel, which one? Feminine singular. Lekel, which ones? Masculine plural. And lekels, which ones? Feminine plural. And now, as simple as this, let's have a look at some examples. Right? Here we are. Quelle personne regardez-vous? Quelle personne? You can easily see it is feminine singular. So my dear friends, I have replaced the underlined noun by laquelle. And if you look at the next example, fill in the blanks with an interrogative pronoun. Voici des fleurs. Here are some flowers. Allons-nous offrir à Marion? Yes, here are some flowers. Which ones are you going to offer? Rather, are we going to offer to Marion? And so, you have lesquelles. You could even have laquelle. Which one? But I would rather offer flowers rather than just a flower. Lesquelles. Fleur is feminine plural here, so lesquelles. Easy to understand, my friends. But wait, just a small point remains that when the prepositions agrave and de are used immediately before these interrogative pronouns, they will contract. Because we all know agrave plus le becomes au. So agrave plus laquelle would obviously become auquel. In the same way, agrave plus les becomes aux. So agrave plus lesquelles will become auquel. Are we understanding? Or auquels here. Same thing with the da, duquel and desquels. Are we getting this very, very clear? My dear friends, I assure you, interrogative pronouns are over here. All that remains is just a few examples and then a little bit of practice. So, j'ai fait une demande d'emploi à une entreprise. Ah bon, à laquelle? To which one? J'ai entendu les mots de l'autre professeur. Duquel. So have you heard the words of the teacher? Which one? So my dear friends, let's quickly practice this out. Are you ready? Here we are. Quelle personne, laquelle, quel monument, lequel, quel dictionnaire, lequel. No placement rules, interrogative pronouns are absolutely fabulous, fantastic. As we know, this was another edition of Fantastic French Fundamentals